Welcome to setting up HyperRender. After registration, you'll see an email verification screen. Once verified, you'll land on the setup page. Install the HyperRender MSI on the machine you'll render from. Click the download button and follow the steps shown to install. Once installed, you'll find HyperRender in your system tray on the bottom right of your screen. Go back to the Setup page, Step 2, and generate your studio key. Copy it. Now right-click the tray icon again, click Activate License, and paste the studio key into the dialog box. This ties your machine to your HyperRender account. For the next step, ensure Unreal Engine is closed. Right-click the tray icon, go to Engine Directory, then Stock Unreal Engine. Choose your engine version. Here we're picking 5.5.3. A dialog box appears and finds the correct plugin path. Click OK. Make sure Unreal Engine is closed for a clean install. To double-check, open the menu again to see if the plugin is installed. Do this once for every Unreal Engine version installed on your machine. Click Next to access the dashboard. To start rendering, you need to add credits to your account, which you can do by clicking on the Add Credits button on the dashboard page. This will take you to Billing, where you can securely add credits via Stripe. Now that credits are added, open your Unreal project and set up your movie render queue. Pick your settings carefully and set a local output path for the rendered output. This is where your rendered frames from the cloud will be delivered. Once the settings are locked in, click Render Remote. A dialog will appear. Select the GPU you want to use. Your project will now upload to the cloud automatically. Once uploaded, rendering begins. For future renders, just configure MRQ and click Render Remote. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to watch the other videos on our channel that explain how to speed up your Lumen and Path Tracer renders by 10 times.